Hi Riti,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you so much. I'm fine. I'm very excited to be here.
So Riti, first of all, I have to congratulate you. Your song Chale Aao is getting such a great response. So congratulations for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It really means a lot.
So Riti, I have to start asking you by this that you are someone a social media find. I would like to put it like that way because I think Palash heard your voice on Instagram and then he approached you for it. So tell me, was there behind? Was something going on? Yeah, like some music composer will listen to me on Instagram and offer me a song like this. Was there something ever? Did you even imagine that this would happen?
I hoped for it. Like in a very wild sense. I was like, Instagram पे covers डालेंगे, क्या पता किसी को अच्छा लग जाए, कोई बुला ले. And to think कि exactly that's what happened. I'm a person who's very dramatic. I am very dramatic and all my expressions are wild. So the second that I got to know that Palash Machhar sir wants to do a song with me, because of my Instagram covers, I was screaming for 3 hours. Okay, I was just like, what are you even saying? Is this a joke? Is this real? So it was a very surreal, very out of body, and I still can't believe it, to be very honest with you.
So, I mean, you were, of course, doing covers earlier, and now this is your own original song that has been out. So, what's the reaction that you have got on social media from everyone who has been loving your voice?
They were all so. I mean, I don't know what I expected, but this definitely supersedes anything I could have expected. Like, everyone was so nice, so supportive, and I was just like, okay, wow, so people actually like it, and that made me really happy, because as an artist, you work and you hope that your art will connect with people, and if even one person, like, it can reach someone like that, it just makes you the happiest. And there were a couple of people that connected, so I was pretty happy. I am very happy.
So, how was the whole experience of working with Palash? With collaborating with him on this song, how was the whole experience like that?
Over in a flash. He's so, like, he knows exactly what he wants. He has a vision and he executes it. So there's no like any room for lagging or postponing or nothing. Like, he scouted me through Instagram. 1 week later, we recorded. 1 week later, we shot. 1 week later, the song is out. So it was just so professional and such a learning experience. Like, it was the best first experience for me, honestly.
So, now you have stepped into this commercial music industry. So, I would like to know which music composers are there on your list that you want to collaborate with?
Any and everyone. Because I feel like as an artist who's good at their art, or they wish to be good, you can never pick and choose. If an opportunity comes by, you take it. But it would be heavenly to one day work with probably A.R. Rahman. So long shot, but I think that's what everyone dreams of, honestly, if they're in the music industry.
Okay, as of course I asked you about which music composer you want to collaborate for. Now I have to ask you which actress you would like to play back for. I'm sure you would be having that one actress that you want to play back when you think that this actress, like your voice will suit that actress. Which one it is and why?
When I started, I've been singing since I was 3-4. So I grew up and I would see these playback singers and how they voice other people and everything, and I would find that very fascinating. But I'm going to be very honest with you, I never thought of myself giving my voice to someone else. Like, it's, in the best sense, because it felt so unreal to me. And everyone is just too good. Like, if any of those people were to use my voice, I would be genuinely privileged. Even the male actors, I'm not even kidding. I would just be very privileged.
And of course, as I said that now I know that the answer will be that you want to do it with everyone. But I have this question on my list, so I thought I'll ask you once again. So now tell me one, at least there would be any singer that you want to collaborate and do a duet with.
Yeah. Yes. Um,
Everyone, right?
I have this belief. See, I generally am a person who believes that everyone has so much potential to put on the table. But even when I would cover songs, I would cover moreover songs of Arijit sir, because of his. I don't know. It's Arijit, so honestly, do I need to say more? It would be very nice to maybe work with him one day, because I would literally fall on the floor and start crying if that were to happen.
So, of course, nowadays there's this thing that whenever a single is made, mostly, the singer itself features as the lead in the music videos. So, would you also like to do that?
Maybe someday, but not anytime soon. But I feel like my confidence is not there yet. But hopefully someday, I would love to.
So, Chale Aavo is in a romantic zone, a bit sad zone and stuff. But is that the zone that you would like to continue singing, or you would prefer to sing, maybe a proper item number in Bollywood films as well? Or you think that your zone would be this soulful tracks only?
No, my zone would be anything and everything, because I am training since a very young age in classical music as well. So the main thing about classical music is variety. You can't say, that मुझे बस इस तरह का ये गाने हैं या ये नहीं गाने, because you shouldn't, honestly. I mean, what then? It's like you're saying कि हाँ, you're restricting yourself, and I would never restrict myself like that. But I was called the Devdas of music when I was in school, because I would keep singing sad songs. So I feel like I sing sad songs more, but I love singing any and every type of music.
Right. Great. I think Riti, it was really nice chatting with you. All the best for your future projects, and thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much for having me. This was amazing.
Bye. Take care.